this is on my front page of my website at thermalcooking.net. And it's all 3 of the courses that I have for $50. And if you go into the actual online store, it's going to have, it's $69 there. So it's great to have. I mean, it's just so people come to my classes, and if they're paying attention on my website, they'll always be able to get, for now, the $50 for 3. And that's the cookbook. And I have huge plans for the online cookbook. And I know, Lisa, I haven't answered your email yet, but I did read it. I just haven't had time to get back. And yes, I'm going to continue to add recipes and everything, and link the videos that I make to the recipes in the online cookbook. And then the other one is the online course. And that's where I'm going to archive all these videos, and and it's a step-by-step. And as I'm able to make different, more information or add information that I think will be pertinent, I'll add more courses into this course. Right now it's 12 courses, 12 lessons, and it's just a brain dump I had. And I just put everything I could think of about thermal cooking in there. And so as I expand and get more information, I will put some more information there. That's why I love the way that this particular platform is set up, because I can always update and I can always add extra information, and you guys will always have the access to it if you own the course. And then the third one is the pattern of the HopeSaC pattern. And so it's all 3 of those for $50.